Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20868. Awesome running Yale GC080. It's an 8,000 pound Christian tire style forklift. It's equipped with the desirable 187 inch triple stage mast. This unit does have side shift carriage, 42 inch pallet forks, excellent traction cushion style tires, a good running LP gas engine, automatic transmission. This unit has a new PM service, recent repairs, and a brand new paint job, ready for work. As you can see, very tall up in the sky. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Appreciate your time for watching. Thank you much.